Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for chocolate cheesecake. This is absolutely ridiculously decadent, so let's get started.
We start out with our ingredients. We need 2 cups or 200 grams of Oreo cookie crumbs, 1/3 cup or 100 grams of melted butter, 3 small packages or 525 grams of cream cheese, 1½ cups or 170 grams of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sour cream or plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 2 cups or 300 grams of dark chocolate melted and cooled. Start out by stirring the melted butter into the Oreo crumbs. Press the mixture into the bottom of 1 large pie plate or springform pan or 2 small ones. Then, in a large mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese until soft. Beat in powdered sugar, sour cream, and vanilla. Beat in melted chocolate. Spoon mixture into the baking forms with the Oreo crusts. Spread it with an offset spatula as smooth as you can. Chill in the fridge for at least 3 hours. When removing it from the baking form, make sure to cut all the way through the crust. It actually comes out fairly easily, but the chocolate filling sticks to itself. This chocolate cheesecake is really thick and super chocolatey. It tastes amazing, but I can't eat more than one piece at a time. It's really decadent. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.